So there are three scripts in Japanese language, that is Hiragana, Katakana, and Kanji. So in this video, I will show you about Hiragana chart, how the Hiragana sound is and how you're going to write the Hiragana. So Hiragana is the basic alphabet of Japanese language. So you have five syllables, that is the similar to the vowels what you have in English. We read it as A, E, U, A, O. I repeat again. A, E, U, A, O. So this is the sound, basic sound in Japanese language. In any other language, Hindi, Kannada, Tamil, you have A, E, E. So here you don't have so many sounds. You have only five syllable. That is A, E, U, A, O. So you can repeat after me. A, E, U, A, O. Then it goes Ka, Ki, Ku, Ke, Ko. Sa, She. This is not Si. This is She. Su, Se, So. Then Ta, Chi, Tsu. The one marked in red has a different sound. So you have to note it. It is not Ta, Ti, Tu. It is Ta, Chi, Tsu, Te, To. Na, Ni, Nu, Ne, No. Ha, Hi, Fu, He, Ho. Ma, Mi, Mu, Me, Mo. Ya, You, Yo. Ra, Ri, Ru, Re, Ro. Wa, O, So if you see there are two O, one is here O and one is here O. So this is the main alphabet in Japanese O. This O is used only as a grammar particles. So only for the grammar this is used. It is not used in the regular sentences. So these are the main 46 hiragana alphabets what you have, syllables. And then using the same thing, you are going to modify it for more sounds, like you are using ka, ki, ko, ke, ko, and you put a double line. So this is dakuon, you call it. So ga, gi, gu, ge, go. So first observe this, learn this again. That is ai, u, e, o, ka, ki, ko, ke, ko, sa, shi, su, se, so, ta, chi, tsu, te, to, nani, nu, ne, no, ha, hi, fu, he, ho, ma, mi, mu, me, mo, ya, yu, yo, ra, ri, ru, re, ro, wa, o, So how do you remember which comes after which? So you need to memorize it as a, ka, sa, ta, na, a, ka, sa, ta, na, hama, ya, ra, va. A, ka, sa, ta, na, hama, ya, ra, va. This is the way you have to memorize it. Now we will go to the next series. Ga, gi, gu, ge, go. Za, ji. So this is different. Ji, zu, ze, zo. Da, ji, zu, de, do. So what are you doing here? You take the ka series. This is the ka series. You say kaki kukeko. A small double line is put here, and that becomes gagi gukeko. Then you take the sa, shi, su, se, so series, and you do it za, ji, z, ze, zo. Then you take the ta series, ta, chi, tsu, te, to, and a small 10, we call it 10, double lines here on top. It becomes da, ji, z, de, do. Okay. Now you have here also G and Z, Z. Here also you have G, Z. So which one is used? This G, Z, Z is extensively used. It is mostly used everywhere. This is used only for few words. So somewhere 10% you could say, 90% this is used. So this is used in only few words. Fine. Then we are going to take ha, he, fu, he, ho. So look at this ha, he, fu, he, ho, double line when you, 10 when you add, ba, bi, bu, be, bo. So this is ha, he, fu, he. That is ha, he, fu, he. And the same thing we are doing it, ba, bi, bo, be, bo. And again, same ha, he, hu, he, ho, you will add a small circle. So that is a small maru you add. It becomes handa kun, we call it. Papi, pupe. So these are the, you're using the same alphabets and you're making it new syllable. So these are 5 series you have got. And then next you are going to kya, kyu, kyo. That is, you are using all E line. For example, when I say E line, so if you can observe, ka, ki, ku, ke, ko, sa, shi, su, se, so, a, e, u, e, o. So the E sounds, E, ki, shi, chi, ni, e, mi, ri, gi, ji, ji, bi, pi, all these are E sounds. Along with this, you are going to add ya, you, yo. That is, you're going to write next to it a little small, 50% size, ya, you, yo. So the E of ki and the ya is added. It becomes kya. Ki and you, it is Q. Ki and yo, it is Kyo. So this is how the next alphabets are formed. Syllables, kya, ki and ya, kya, ki and you, Q, ki and yo, Kyo. So you see that this is written next to it small, not of the same side. But below, this is same place it starts with, but the height will be 50% less. So kya, ki, kyo. Then you have she, with she you add ya, sha, ya, you, yo, and becomes sha, shu, sho. Then with chi, cha, chu, cho. Then with ni, nya, new, nyo. With he, kya, hyu, hyo. With me, mya, myu, myo. With ri, rya, ryu, ro, ryo. Okay, so these are the, these are the only hiragana alphabets. Okay, we have again gya, gyu, gyo, ja, ju, jo, ja, ju, jo. Again, this the start one is not used much. Bya, byu, pyo, pya, pyu, pyo. Fine. So the one which is marked star, they are rarely used. So this winds up hiragana. So if I do a recap, first the basic syllables, that is akasatana, hama, yara, va. So these are the basic syllables. Using this syllable with the double line, the 10, you make it ga series, za series, da and ba and pa series. Okay, this is not used much. And then using the E line, that is ki, shi, chi, you add ya, yu, yo, and you make it kya series, kya, kyu, kyo, sha, shu, sho, cha, chu, cho, nya, nyu, nyo, hya, hyu, hyo, mya, myu, myo, rya, ryu, ryo. And then the one which you had done, gi, ga, gi, gu, ge, go. From there also you take the E series, that is gi becomes gya, gyu, gyo, ja, ju, jo. Then bya, byu, pyo, bya, byu, pyo. This is not used much. Fine, now we will see how to write this hiragana. So you can see here.
A, I, U,
U,
E, O,
A, I, U, E, O. Okay?
Ka,
Ka,
Ki,
Ki,
Ku,
Ku,
Ke,
Ke,
Ko,
Ko,
Sa,
Sa,
Shi,
Shi,
Su,
Su,
Se,
Se,
So,
So,
Ta,
Ta,
Chi,
Chi,
Tsu,
Tsu,
Te,
Te,
To,
To,
Na,
Na,
Ni,
Ni,
Nu,
Nu,
Ne,
Ne,
の、
no,
は、
ha,
ひ、
hi,
ふ、
hu,
へ、
he,
ほ、
ho,
ま、
ma,
み、
mi,
む、
mu,
め、
me,
も、
mo,
や、
ya,
ゆ、
you,
よ、
yo,
ら、
ra,
り、
ri,
る、
do,
れ、
de,
ろ、
ro,
わ、
wa.
お、
So the sounds are here. You just click on the speaker here, and then when you click, this is a website. We will give it to you. It's called Marukoto. So just click on this, and you get the alphabet. So these are the stroke orders. So this is it goes from left to right and top to bottom. So one and one two and one two three. Fine. You can click on this, and you will get the stroke.
あ、あ、あ、あ、あ、
Right? So you can again do it, click on it again, and you will get the stroke order. So practice it the way the pencil is done here. So left to right stroke number one, you can see this also, you can see here also left to right stroke number one, stroke number two, stroke number three. The strokes are very important in writing when you write hiragana. So these are the words also are given here, but you can do it later on because they've given asa. Sa you have not learned yet. So later when you learn Sa, you can come back and do a revision. So there you can click on this speaker,
朝、
Asa. So you get the pronunciation. So similarly, click on the next one and you get the
い、い、い、い、
This is the way you have to practice. So you need to practice it many times. Take a notebook, write it each alphabet, write it many times. A, E, U, A, O. So this video we are making it so that if anybody misses the class, they can use this, how to practice a stroke, and also as a revision.
う、
Use this. You can also learn the words which is given for each alphabet. So U for udon, udon, but do and you have not learned. So that is why you can come back to this chart later and learn it.
うどん、
Udon.
うどん、
Okay, now I'm going to A. So I'm clicking on the arrow mark here, on the animation here. So then you get the animation. So you can repeat this as many times. You can click as many times and you can repeat. Okay, so this is
え、え、
last one. O. Check the strokes, how it is. So first the horizontal line, then the vertical line, then circles and comes here. So you can see here how they have written. All right, so you click on this play. So here you will get the alphabet. So for the words, you can just learn the words. No harm in learning the words. It's written in English also.
お茶、
So every alphabet you can learn. So A for
朝、
asa, E for
椅子、
isu, chair, U for
うどん、
udon, A for
駅、
eki, station, O for.
お茶、
So this is a nice way to learn. It's given in English also. So you know each alphabet, you already know a word. So this is similar for again, I can if I go to car series also same thing. So what you do, I'll show you. Just click on this car. Then you will know the stroke how to do. You can also hear the
か、 か、
Uh,
ka,
and then you click on this play, you get the animation. And if you want to know the words for car, just click on the speaker.
鍵、
Kagi. So gi, it's kagi, kagi. Slightly nasal pronunciation is there.
鍵、
Kagi. That's the Japanese way of saying,
鍵、
right? So similarly, all the alphabets, you can click on it and you can know how to do it. So this way you can practice your hiragana properly after teaching, even at home. Multiple times you can practice. So write it as many times and practice it. All right. Hope it is clear how to practice hiragana by yourself. Arigato gozaimasu.